Don't be a hodler, guys, right now. So in this video, this really quick one I wanted to bring to you guys, I'm going to show you why you shouldn't hodl and how you can actually make money not knowing anything at all and just basically shorting when like ETH or Bitcoin Cash or even Bitcoin is going down. You can make money off this instead of hodling over there and losing all your money. So don't make the mistake I did when Ethereum was at like 500 or 600 bucks. I let it go down a couple $100 and I lost a lot of money. But I gained it back by shorting it all the way down to, I think it hit what, in the mid 80s. So I made it, all that back and more, but don't make that mistake I did. Um, yeah, so what I want to show you is last night, if you guys didn't notice, um, the market just crashed to shit pretty much. Ethereum was like at 116 in the middle of the day yesterday. It went all the way down to like 104, 105 before midnight in the States. And here's a couple examples that I just happened to screenshot in time before I closed out trades. So let's zoom in. So you can see I made 17% right there. So that was one easy, quick trade, fast in and out. You guys don't have to do these fast ones that I did, but it's very simple when it's crashing like yesterday was. You just short it and you'll make your money. This one you can see I made 63% gain, and this is all when it was at 109. And I 50x'd it. You can see this line right here. This green line is where I shorted, and I 50x'd it all the way down $1, and I made 63% gain just on that one. And I'm just showing you guys, not to brag, but to show you that it is possible that shorting when the market's going down will make you money. Even if you don't even know how to trade in Bitmex, all you have to do is just know how to time in and out. And not even that, I'll show you guys here in a second even how to do that. So right here I shorted, so I at the top here I shorted and I gained 64% again. And this is all just going down by $1. And then this last one, so if you guys can see, this thing rode down, and I exited out there, made profit. I let it rise back up, and I got to here, right? And then I put my short in and I sold, and it fell again. I mean, this is so easy. You guys could easily do this. And basically, I got 27% return on investment. So I kind of just want to show you that it is possible right there. And let's look at my trade tonight. So even if you don't know what you're doing at all, so you gotta for sure use TorGuard, the VPN I mentioned in the last video. If you don't have a VPN, definitely go look at that last video. It'll help you guys. Don't look at my recording software because that's gonna be like Inception. So let's look at the market right now. I put a short in way up here, about like right here, and it's just falling. And I'm only using 10%. That means my liquidation price is going to be 113. I don't believe it's going to hit that. And even if you don't know what you're doing at all, you can literally just put in a short at a top or something. I'll put a low, I guess, put it like 10x, maybe 5x even. You go like I plan on having this run through the night at 10x. And you can see I'm already up 14% on this trade just by doing nothing instead of just hodling. So I'll gain Bitcoin back. So I'll be making money. I mean, anybody can do this, guys. It's so simple. Instead of hodling, actually make money. So yeah, I plan on letting this run through the night, and I plan to come out on just a profit here. I don't. Let's say in the middle of the night it went up to, let's say all the way back up and it went to like 105, 106. I still have all those room to run to 113 before I can get liquidated. And I only used half my stack, meaning, let's say it went really close to 113. It was like a 111, 112, and I was getting anxious, and I was like, oh shit, I'm going to lose all my money. I can pull back my leverage. Uh, 5x is too how they'll say I go to 8x because I only used half my stack, so I'm trying to stay alive, fight the liquidation monster. Now it goes all the way to 116, right? And then let's see if even 7. Look at that, 117, almost 118. So it's very simple, guys. You guys can do this easily. Be sure to, if you want to trade, get in now. Try to trade as much as you can before Bitmex does KYC and you can't trade with just a VPN anymore. So be sure to use my link in the description for Bitmex and for TorGuard, the VPN, if you want to trade. It's very simple. Go look at some of my other videos on Bitmex on how to trade, especially one that I made maybe a couple weeks ago that explained just basics of Bitmex, basically how to use market, how to sell, how to close out, stuff anybody can do. All right, that's all I wanted to show you guys, and have a good night.